channel. It's your girl Mila and welcome back to another video. I haven't done one of these videos in quite some time. I want to say the last Boxycharm video I did was probably back in February or March. One of those. I just know it's been a very long time since I have done one. I don't know if you guys really like these type of videos, but you know, I feel like some people do. They like to see exactly, you know, what all comes in the box. Some people may not be subscribed, so they just kind of want to know just what comes in Boxycharm boxes, you know, as a general overview. I'm excited to see what came in this month's Luxe box. I have not opened it yet. I've had it for 2 days, so I'm excited to see exactly what I got. So let's see what we got. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and this box from the last Luxe box I received is actually a little smaller. The other one I got 2 or 3 months ago was a lot bigger, so I'm not quite sure what I got. So let's just see exactly what's in here, shall we? Right, ooh, we got goodies. So the first thing that I got is, what is this? Oh, it looks like it's a satin pillowcase, it looks like, and like the eye mask. This is by Hallmark collection, and it comes in this little bag right here. So let's open it up and see exactly what we got. So yes, satin. It's a satin pillowcase. Oh, this is so nice, y'all. I like this. So it's like a cheetah print, and it's like a champagne colored cheetah print. Very nice, and it feels very soft, very soft. All right, and then you have a matching sleep mask. So that's very cute. I like that. And also they have included the items that are all listed in the box, and they include the prices. So for that set, that set is $50. So that, if you would have gotten this on their website, you would have paid $50 for that. Next we have, y'all, look, this is Tarte's Pro. This is their Amazon clay palette. Y'all, I saw this, I wanted to try it, but I don't know. I was like, I don't know if I want to pay the money for it, because I have so many other eyeshadow palettes. It's ridiculous. I mean, you just really can't use it all. I wanted to try this so bad, but I didn't want to pay the money for it. I mean, I'm just being real, y'all. And this is gorgeous. Look, it's matte black on the front, and it kind of has that shiny backing to it. And it's gold on the back. Well, let's see what the colors looks like. You guys can see those colors. It has a lot of like berry type colors, mauve. You also have like a blue here, some shimmers on the side, but all of these colors in the middle are matte, and you have some neutrals right here, and it has a black. You don't really see a whole lot of eyeshadow palettes have black shadows, so I think that's pretty nice. I love this. I'm excited to try that. And how much does this cost? Let's see. $49. So this is $49 palette, and I'm excited to try it. Next we have, this is Bodyography. It's a lip pencil, and it says it's a 2-pack. I've never heard of this brand, so let's open it up. So this is in Pouty, and then this one is in Rosewood. So this is Pouty, and this one's in Rosewood. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Pouty is like a pinkish mauve color, and Rosewood is more like a deeper brownish berry color. So very nice colors. I feel like I have some colors similar to this, so that's just something nice to add to the collection. These 2 pencils retail for $28 for the set. Up next, we have Okay, so this is by Kylie Jenner, Kylie Skin. This is her foaming face wash. Now, I have not looked into any of Kylie's products. I know she has, you know, makeup products, and I've kind of searched around for it just to see what it was talking about. But I have not done any research on her skincare line. So apparently it is a foaming face wash that is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed and vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. So it's supposed to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. And her face wash retails for $24. So next we have the no problem, but they say no problem. Cute. Prime Essence. So this is I don't know. Oh, I guess that's what it is. It's an essence. This particular essence is supposed to address pore issues for your pores. It's supposed to have calendula flower extract in it as well. I've never seen an essence come in this type of container. Okay, I'm gonna pour it out. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. And it's very watery. And it feels very nice, very silky. Okay. So let me make sure if this is how they're telling you that you're supposed to okay, so they're calling it a prime essence. So apparently you use this before you apply makeup. Not as thick as a primer, a regular primer would be. It's kind of on the watery side. That's probably why they're calling it an essence. But essentially it says that you're supposed to put it on before makeup, and it's supposed to tighten up the pores and keeps the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. Okay, so it's a primer. Primer Essence Duo. Okay, so how much does this cost? This costs, it's the Tarte, that is not it. This costs, this costs $23. So next up, we have a charcoal brush set by Million Dollar Brushes. I'm not familiar with this brand, but it says that its bristles are infused with charcoal for an antimicrobial effect. Okay, so I wonder if all the brushes are in here. Let me see. No, so you have a few brushes here. So, because on the box it has a lot of brushes listed, but there's only 2 in here. So the 2 that are, oh, I stand corrected. They're all in here. Okay. You have a powder brush. And they're really soft too. I like that. A powder brush, a contour brush, a highlighter brush, they're saying, eyeshadow brush, and a concealer brush. I haven't really heard too much about charcoal infused type brushes, so that will be interesting to try. This particular brush set retails for $55. Up next, we have, let's see, Malin plus Gotes. It's not Gotes. Goats. Lord, what is this word? Goats, that's where we're gonna go with. G-O-E-T-Z. Sounds like goats to me. Goats Recovery Treatment Oil. Now, I have no idea what this is. Let me read. Reading is fundamental. Let me see. So it says it is a fast absorbing treatment which is formulated with a blend of 9 antioxidant rich oils that nourish and hydrate to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so let's open it up. I'm not quite sure the ingredients in here. Like, I need to know what is in it. See, avocado, jojoba, grapeseed. Okay. So there's nothing in here that I would say is a chemical, you know, like anything that has AHA or anything in it like that. So you could probably use this on a regular basis without risk of sun sensitivity. I don't see any type of ingredient like that. So, I am very excited to try that. You know, I love skincare. So now, how much does this cost? This cost, it's $82 for that.
$82 for 1 ounce.
Glad I got it in a box so I could try it. All right. And lastly, the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Cream. Excuse me, eye balm. I'm excited to try this. It is a eye balm that is supposed to provide a cooling and glow effect. So essentially, oh, wait a minute. So essentially, okay, that's just the little top. You put it under your eye and it's supposed to brighten this area. Apply directly to the eye area under makeup and reapply throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. Okay, so it is definitely glowy. You guys see that? Very glowy, very glowy. Rub that in. You see it? It has glitter flakes or flecks in it. I don't know if I like that very much. I'll have to test this product out and see exactly if I like it. I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. I don't know. My hand, I mean, I can kind of see where it gives, it's not really blending well into the skin. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to test this product out and I'll get back to you guys on that. This retails for $28. That was all the products that came in my Luxe box for this month. I'm actually really excited to try all of these products. I think there were some really nice items that came in this month's box. If you guys want to see what actually comes in a smaller Boxycharm box, then, you know, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to do a video on that as well. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content. Help me keep my channel growing. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.